Good morning, students. First Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class, we discussed all the theories of vector cross product, vector product or cross product. Okay, today we are going to discuss some application of vector product or cross product. Okay, अच्छा, तो in last class let A and B are two non-parallel vectors or non-collinear vectors. Then A vector cross B vector is equal to mod A mod B sin theta n cap, where theta be the angle between A vector and B vector lies between 0 to pi, and n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector and form a right-handed system, that is n cap moves from A to B. Okay, and direction of n cap is same in the direction of A cross B. So A cross B is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. A cross B vector is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Okay, A cross B is purely vector quantity. So A cross B is equal to mod A mod B sin theta n cap. So sine of the angle, that means sin theta is equal to A cross B mod divided by individual mod A into mod B, and theta is equal to A cross B divided by mod of A cross B. Sorry, theta is equal to sine of the angle means sin theta is equal to mod of A cross B by mod A into mod B, and n cap means unit vector in the direction of A cross B is equal to A cross B divided by mod of A cross B. A cross B divided by mod of A cross B. Next, if A vector and B vector are two adjacent sides by parallelogram, then determinant then mod of A cross B denote area of the parallelogram, where A vector and B vector are two adjacent sides. Similarly, area of the triangle ABC is given by half into mod of AB cross BC, or is equal to half into mod of BC cross CA is equal to half into mod of CA cross AB. Okay, so these are the theory. Next, so this is a question given: find the sine of the angle between the vectors 4i plus 3j minus k and 2i minus 6j minus 3k. Okay, so solution, let A vector is equal to 4i plus 3j cap minus k cap, B vector is equal to 2i cap minus 6j cap minus 3k cap. Okay, therefore mod of A vector equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 square plus minus 1 square. Coefficient of k is minus 1, so minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. Mod B is equal to square root of 2 square plus minus 6 square plus minus 3 square. This is 16 plus 9 plus 1 root, that is 26 root. Okay, this is equal to square root of 4 plus 36 plus 9, so 49 root, that means 7. Okay, so ये है mod A mod B. Now A cross B is equal to determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap. Next, what is A vector? 4i plus 3j minus k. So coefficient of I is 4, then 3, then minus 1. First write A. तो A first A cross B लिखाई, तो A रो I j रो क्वेश्चन ला second row, then B रो I j रो क्वेश्चन ला third row, because A cross B not is equal to B cross A. So next B रो I j रो क्वेश्चन 2 minus 6 minus 3. तो find the determinant I cap into minus 9 minus 6 minus j cap into minus 12 plus 2 plus k cap into minus 24 minus 6. Minus 24 minus 6. This is a minus 15 I cap, this is plus 10 j cap, and this is a minus 30 k cap. Okay, this is A cross B. So mod of A cross B mod of a cross b is equal to square root of minus 15 square plus 10 square plus minus 30 square. 225 plus 100 plus 900 the root. So mod of a cross b is equal to 225 325 1225 root 2225. So 2225 means this is 35. 2225 means 35. Okay. Therefore sine of the angle between vector a and b is given by sin theta is equal to a cross b mod divided by mod a into mod b. So a cross b mod means 35 divided by mod a means root 26, mod b means 7. So into 7. This is 5 by 7 5 by root 26. Okay. So this is sin theta is equal to 5 by root 26. Okay. This is sine of the angle between given vector a and b. Okay. Next question, find the unit vector perpendicular मन रखो perpendicular to the vectors a vector and b vector. So unit vector means n cap is perpendicular to both a vector and b vector. Okay. So we need to find n cap. Question number 1, let a vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. B vector is equal to 2I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Okay. So find unit vector perpendicular to both a and b. We have n cap is equal to a cross b divided by mod of a cross b. So n cap is unit vector. N cap is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both a vector and b vector. Okay. Therefore a cross b is equal to determinant of first row I j k ये fix, second row a रो I j k coefficient 1 2 minus 1. Next b रो I j coefficient 2 3 1. So expand this I cap into 2 plus 3 minus j cap plus j cap into 1 plus 2 plus k cap into 3 minus 4. Okay. So a cross b is equal to 5 I cap minus 3 j cap minus k cap minus k cap 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus k cap. Therefore mod of a cross b is equal to square root of 5 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 1 square. I रो coefficient, j रो coefficient, k रो coefficient सब मध्य plus. So this is 25 plus 9 plus 1, so root 35. Okay. Therefore n cap is equal to what? A cross b divided by mod of a cross b. Okay. Find the unit vector perpendicular both a and b को है देखो. So you can take out this is plus or minus नहीं परियो. Okay. So this is plus or minus. What is a cross b? A cross b is a 5 I cap minus 3 j cap minus k cap divided by root 35. So find the unit vector. यदि in the direction को इतना find the unit vector in the direction of a cross b को इतना only taking positive sign. Okay. In the direction कहले कौन आछे in the direction of a cross b कहले taking positive sign. Only find unit vector कहले taking कौन plus or minus sign. Okay. Next question, find the area of the parallelogram having adjacent sides given by the vectors 3i plus j minus 2k and 2i plus 3j minus 4k. Means area of the parallelogram find करिया कहुई तो तार दुईटा साइड मीन्स गोटे है बोथ आर adjacent to each other means पाखापाखि दुईटा साइड में दिखाई गोटे ए वेक्टर दिया गोटे बी वेक्टर दिया तो आम एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम मीन्स डिटरमिन मोड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी ए वेक्टर क्रॉस बी वेक्टर मैग्नीट्यूड है एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम. ओके तो ठीक अच्छे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लेट ए वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 3i कैप प्लस j कैप माइनस 2k कैप, बी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 2i कैप प्लस 3j कैप माइनस 4k कैप. ओके दिस इज द पैरेललोग्राम. तो दिस इज ए वेक्टर एंड दिस इज बी वेक्टर. दिस इज बी देखो डायरेक्शन देखो तो देखिए ये ए वेक्टर ये बी वेक्टर. ओके इधर एडजेसेंट साइड्स. ओके तो एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम इज इक्वल टू मोड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी स्क्वायर यूनिट. मोड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी स्क्वायर यूनिट. तो व्हाट इज ए क्रॉस बी? ए क्रॉस बी इक्वल डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट रो है आई जे के, सेकेंड रो आई जे के कोफिशिएंट 3 1 माइनस 2, थर्ड रो आई जे के कोफिशिएंट 2 3 माइनस 4. ओके तो दिस इज आई कैप इंटू माइनस 4 प्लस 6 माइनस जे कैप इंटू माइनस 12 प्लस 4 प्लस के कैप इंटू 9 माइनस 2. ओके आई कैप इंटू माइनस 4 प्लस 6 माइनस जे कैप इंटू माइनस 12 प्लस 6 प्लस के कैप इंटू 9 माइनस 2. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2i कैप, दिस इज प्लस 8j कैप, दिस इज 7k कैप. ओके देयरफॉर ए क्रॉस बी रो मैग्नीट्यूड इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 7 स्क्वायर. दिस इज 4 प्लस 64 प्लस 49. तो 6 प्लस 4 100 13 17 तो रूट 117. ओके देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम इज इक्वल टू मोड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी स्क्वायर यूनिट. तो इज इक्वल टू रूट 117 स्क्वायर यूनिट. ये एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम. ओके थर्ड वन, find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are given by the vectors 3i plus j minus 2k and I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are given. Okay तो solution, let d1 vector is one diagonal 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and d2 vector another diagonal I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. So this is the parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is d1 vector and this is d2 vector. Okay तो area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are given, whose diagonals d1 d2 are given, d1 vector and d2 vector are given, is equal to half into मन पकटिए half into determinant mode of d1 cross d2 means half into कर्ण द्वार गुणफल ना कि एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू कर्ण द्वार गुणफल थिला. तो हाफ इंटू d1 वेक्टर क्रॉस d2 वेक्टर. ओके तो इज इक्वल टू तो व्हाट इज d1 वेक्टर क्रॉस d2 वेक्टर. फर्स्ट बाहर करो d1 क्रॉस d2 बाहर करो. फर्स्ट रो i j के, सेकंड रो 3 1 माइनस 2, थर्ड रो 1 माइनस 3 4. तो एक्सपांड दिस 4 माइनस 6 माइनस j कैप इंटू 12 प्लस 2 प्लस k कैप इंटू माइनस 9 माइनस 1. दिस इज ए माइनस 2 i कैप माइनस 2 i कैप. दिस इज माइनस 14 j कैप माइनस 10 k कैप. ओके देयरफॉर d1 क्रॉस d2 मैग्नीट्यूड d1 क्रॉस d2 मैग्नीट्यूड इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ i रो कोफिशिएंट -2 तो -2 रो स्क्वायर प्लस j रो कोफिशिएंट -14 माइनस 14 स्क्वायर प्लस के कोएफिशिएंट माइनस 10 स्क्वायर ओके तो इज इक्वल टू 4 प्लस 14 स्क्वायर मीन्स दिस इज 2 14 into 14 14 4 जा 56 5 तो 196 plus 100 296 300 root okay so this is 10 root 3 therefore area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the parallelogram half into mode of d1 vector across d2 vector is equal to half into 10 root 3 is equal to 5 root 3 square unit 5 root 3 square unit okay 5 root 3 square unit okay next question if a factor is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus k cap b factor is equal to i cap minus 2j cap minus k cap c factor equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap okay find a cross b dot a cross c second one find a cross b cross a cross c okay so first we have find a cross b then a cross c next question number 1 both are dot question number 2 both are cross okay so solution given a vector is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus k cap b vector is equal to i cap minus 2j cap minus k cap c vector is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap so first find a cross b means determinant of first row i cap j cap k cap second row a row I j के कोफिशिएंट 3 4 minus 1 third row b row I j के कोफिशिएंट 1 minus 2 minus 1 तो expand this I cap into this is a minus 4 this is a minus 2 plus minus minus j cap into 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus k cap into 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 so this is equal to minus 6 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 10 k cap this is a cross b next a cross c equal to again determinant of first row I j k second row a row I j के कोफिशिएंट 3 4 minus 1 third है c row I j के कोफिशिएंट 2 minus 1 3 okay okay तो a cross c तो is equal to this is I cap into 4 into 3 12 minus 1 minus j cap into 3 into 3 9 plus 2 plus k cap into 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 8 so is equal to again I cap into 4 into 3 12 minus 1 minus j cap into 3 into 3 9 plus 2 means minus of minus 2 means plus 2 plus k cap into minus 3 minus 8 this is 11 I cap this is minus 11 j cap minus 11 k cap this is a cross c okay so question number 1 what given a cross b dot a cross c so what is a cross b is minus 6 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 10 k cap dot 11 I cap minus 11 j cap minus 11 k cap okay this is a cross b dot a cross c so this is a purely scalar quantity ना नहीं तो ठीक अच्छे minus 6 into 11 I रो कोफिशिएंट minus 6 into 11 plus j रो कोफिशिएंट 2 into minus 11 plus k रो कोफिशिएंट minus 10 into minus 11 this is a minus 66 this is minus 22 plus 110 तो 88 12 तो 22 this is a minus 88 plus 110 means 22 okay this is a cross b dot a cross c next second number a cross b cross a cross c तो a cross b is what डिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म कहीं से ए भाव दिस बी भाव ए क्रॉस बी भाव तो ए क्रॉस बी मीन्स -6i + 2j + -10k तो फर्स्ट रोला i j k सेकेंड रोला ए क्रॉस बी रो i j k रो कोफिशिएंट तो -6 to -10 नेक्स्ट ए क्रॉस सी रो i j k रो कोफिशिएंट तो 11 -11 ओके तो एक्सपांड दिस तो कौन सा करिए आई कैप इंटू दिस इज -22 माइनस माइनस एक माइनस -110 माइनस जे कैप इंटू दिस इज 66 प्लस 110 ओके प्लस के कैप इंटू दिस इज कौन आसला -66 -22 ओके तो इज इक्वल टू दिस इज -22 -110 मीन्स -132 i कैप दिस इज 176 -176 j कैप तो 66 -22 प्लस 44 k कैप तो दिस इज ए प्योरली वेक्टर तो a क्रॉस b क्रॉस a क्रॉस c इज इक्वल टू -132 i कैप -176 j कैप प्लस 44 k कैप whereas a cross b dot a cross c is equal to 22 okay next question if a cap comma b cap and c cap be unit vectors suppose that a cap dot b cap is equal to a cap dot c cap is equal to 0 and the angle between b cap and c cap is pi by 6 then prove that a cap is equal to plus or minus 2 times b cap cross c cap तो a cap b cap c cap are unit vectors also a cap dot b cap is equal to a cap dot c cap is equal to 0 and angle between b cap and c cap is pi by 6 then prove that a cap is equal to plus or minus 2 times b cap cross c cap okay proof given a cap comma b cap and c cap are unit vectors okay also angle between b cap and c cap is pi by 6 okay also given a cap dot b cap is equal to a cap dot c cap is equal to 0 since a cap dot b cap is equal to 0 this implies a cap is perpendicular to b cap and a cap dot c cap is equal to 0 this implies a cap is also perpendicular to c cap since a cap and since b cap and c cap both are perpendicular to a cap therefore b cap and c cap both are perpendicular to a cap means b cap perpendicular to a cap c cap perpendicular to a cap therefore b and c both are perpendicular to a cap also we have b cap cross c cap perpendicular to both b cap and c cap b cross is also perpendicular to both b and c hence a cap is parallel to b cap cross c cap b cross c perpendicular to both b vector b cap and c cap a cap also perpendicular to both b cap and c cap therefore b cross c parallel to a cap okay b cross c parallel to a cap so this implies A cap is equal to some scalar multiple of B cross C. A cap is equal to, because A parallel B cross C, so A can be expressed as the some constant times B cross C, where lambda is any scalar, where lambda is any scalar, okay. So we need to find the value of lambda, okay. So implies mod A cap square is equal to lambda into B cap cross C cap mod square. So this is 1, mod A cap square is 1 is equal to lambda square into mod of B cross C. B cross C means what? Mod B mod C sin theta n cap ro square, okay, where theta is the angle between, where theta is equal to pi by 6, angle between A and B, angle between B cap and C cap. So this implies 1 is equal to lambda square into mod B is 1, mod B is what? 1 into mod C also 1, this is the sin theta into mod n cap or square into mod n cap square. So this is 1 is equal to lambda square into sin square, theta means pi by 6, mod n cap square 1, this is 1, mod n cap square 1, okay, mod B cap 1, mod C cap 1, mod n cap square 1. So this is sin square theta only, no, theta pi by 6. So implies 1 is equal to lambda square into sin pi by 6 means 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 square. Therefore lambda square is equal to 2 square. So implies lambda is equal to plus or minus 2. Lambda is equal to what? Plus or minus 2. So put the value of lambda. Put the value of lambda in this equation. This is equation 1 correct. Put the value of lambda. Put the value of lambda. ऊपर लिख दो, put the value of लिखनी ऊपर लिख, put the value of lambda in equation 1, we get A cap is equal to what is lambda? Plus or minus 2 into B cap cross C cap, hence proved. एटा प्रूव करिया को हेतला, hence proved, okay. Next question देखो टिके. Next question, if A vector, B vector, C vector are vectors such that A cross B is equal to A cross C but not is equal to 0 vector, so that A vector plus C vector is equal to some constant times B vector, okay, where M is any scalar. Next question, the first question. Second question, prove that A cross B is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, where A given and B given. And third one, so that A minus B cross A plus B is equal to 2 times A cross B, and interpret it geometrically. आपको express करिए, geometrically express करिए, okay. तो first question number 1, given A comma B and C are three vectors such that A cross B is equal to A cross C not is equal to 0 vector. A cross B not 0 vector means, so this implies A cross B not is equal to 0 vector means implies A is not parallel to B. A is not parallel to B vector. Also A cross C not is equal to 0 vector. This implies A vector is not parallel to C vector. Hence A vector is not parallel to now A cross B is equal to A cross C but not is equal to 0 vector. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज ए क्रॉस बी माइनस ए क्रॉस सी इज इक्वल टू 0 वेक्टर 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 गला वेक्टर दिस इम्प्लाइज ए क्रॉस बी sorry this is C cross A not A cross C this is C cross A sorry A cross B is equal to B cross C question टिके रंग है गला A cross B is equal to this is B cross C not A cross C B cross C not equal to 0 है तो ये है B cross C this is B cross C okay so this is B cross C तो B vector is not parallel to C vector okay A cross B is equal to B cross C so this is B cross C so this is plus minus of B cross C means this is plus C cross B means minus of B cross C is equal to प्लस सी क्रॉस बी इज इक्वल टू 0 वेक्टर तो ए रो लेफ्ट रे बी अच्छी सी रो भी लेफ्ट रे बी अच्छी तो वी कैन राइट ए प्लस सी क्रॉस बी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 0 वेक्टर तो दिस इम्प्लाइज ए प्लस सी वेक्टर इज पैरेलल टू बी वेक्टर तो A plus C is parallel to B vector means A plus C can be expressed as some constant times B vector. So A plus C is equal to M times B vector where M is any scalar where M is any scalar any constant. So two vectors are parallel तो one vector can be expressed as the some scalar multiple of other vector. So A plus C parallel to B vector means A plus C can be expressed as the some scalar multiple of B vector. Okay, so here M is any scalar. Okay. Question number 2 देखो टिके. Question number 2 prove that A cross B is perpendicular both A vector and B vector. तो A cross B is perpendicular both A vector and B vector means we need to show that A cross B dot A is equal to 0 and A cross B dot B is equal to 0. Okay. तो ठीक अच्छी. Question number 2 given A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap. B vector is equal to minus 5 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay. तो to prove A cross B is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. That is, we need to show that A cross B dot A is equal to 0 and A cross B dot B is equal to 0. Now first find A cross B. So A cross B means determinant form. So first row I cap, j cap, k cap. Second row what is? Second row I j A row I j coefficient 2, 3, minus 1. Third row B row I j coefficient minus 5, 1, 2. So expand this I into this is 6 plus 1 minus j into 4 minus 5 4 minus 5 plus k into 2 plus 15 k into 2 plus 15 so is equal to A cross B is equal to 7 I cap plus j cap plus 17 k cap. This is A cross B. Okay. Next A cross B dot A. तो A cross B is 7 I cap plus j cap plus 17 k cap dot A. What is A? 2 I cap. A means dot 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k. Okay. तो is equal to 7 into 2 14 1 into 3 plus 3 17 into minus 1 minus 17. So 17 minus 17 is equal to 0. So this implies A cross B is perpendicular to A vector. कहीं इधर dot 0 हो गया therefore A cross B is perpendicular to A vector. Again again A cross B dot B vector. तो A cross B means 7i cap plus j cap plus 17k cap dot B vector means minus 5i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap plus 2k cap. Okay, so is equal to 7 into minus 5 minus 35, 1 into 1 17 into 2 34. So is equal to 0, minus 35 plus 35 is equal to 0. So this implies A cross B is perpendicular to B vector. A cross B is perpendicular to B vector. Okay, hence proved. Hence proved. Third question, show that A minus B cross A plus B is equal to 2 times A cross B and interpret this result geometrically. आपको हमें geometrically express करिबा. Okay, तो solution first LHS part mathematically करिबा. A minus B cross A plus B. This is A cross A plus B minus B cross A plus B. So this is A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. Okay, देखो तो A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. तो A cross A is 0 vector plus A cross B. तो minus of B cross A is equal to plus of A cross B. Okay, minus of B cross A कौन plus of B cross B and minus is 0 vector. Same vector cross कले कौन होगा 0 vector. तो this is 2 times A cross B. तो this is RHS. तो mathematically we proved this. Mathematically we proved this. Okay, next बर्तन कौन करिए geometrically. तो geometrically देखो टिकिए geometrically. Let A vector and B vector are two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Are two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Okay, this is a parallelogram. O A B sorry C, this is C नहीं जीवा, this is B नहीं जीवा. This is A vector, this is B vector. So this is also B, so this is also A. Okay, that is parallelogram OACB. Okay, that is OA vector is equal to A vector, OB vector is equal to B vector. Okay, so sorry, this is A near, this is B, this one C. Sorry, 1 minute. This is parallelogram ABCD near, ABCD. Okay, this is a parallelogram. This is A, B, C, D. AB vector is equal to A vector is equal to DC vector and BC vector is equal to AD vector is equal to B vector. So this is A, so this is B, this is B. Okay, so A plus C, SC vector is equal to AB plus BD is equal to A plus B vector. Okay, A plus B vector. This is AC vector. AC vector is equal to A plus B vector. Okay, next one DB vector. Now join D to B. So from the figure AD plus DB is equal to AB, resultant AB. So DB vector is equal to AB vector minus AD vector. तो तो implies db vector is equal to this is a vector minus b vector. Okay, now a minus b cross a plus b, a minus b cross a plus b is equal to db cross sc. तो db means db is one diagonal, sc is one diagonal. तो db cross sc is equal to 2 into means product of two diagonal is equal to 2 vector area of 2 into vector area of the parallelogram. So this is 2 into vector area of the parallelogram, vector area of the parallelogram. So is equal to 2 into vector area of the parallelogram means what? A cross b, or 2 into ab cross bc is equal to 2 into a cross b. Okay, तो a minus this is the geometrical means geometrical figure use करिया पड़ियो. तो this is geometrical interpretation. Which is the geometrical interpretation? Which is the geometrical interpretation? Okay. Next question, very important question. Prove that in any triangle ABC A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C, or prove sign formula in vector method ये भी कही पारे. ओके, तो प्रूफ. ओके, दिस इज a triangle ABC, this is A, this one B, this one C. तो डायरेक्शन देखो सेम डायरेक्शन हम सब जगह ना. तो ए रु बी, बी रु सी, सी रु ए. ओके, अच्छा, तो ठीक अच्छी. एंगल ए अपोजिट साइडटा कौन नब? स्मॉल ए वेक्टर. एंगल बी अपोजिट स्मॉल बी, एंगल सी अपोजिट स्मॉल सी. ओके, तो फ्रॉम द फिगर now let ABC be a triangle such that let ABC be a triangle such that AB is equal to C vector, BC is equal to A vector, CA is equal to B vector. By triangle law of vector addition, by triangle law of vector addition, okay, triangle law of vector addition, BC vector plus CA vector plus AB vector is equal to 0 vector. तो BC means A vector, CA means B small b, AB means small c is equal to 0 vector. तो this implies A vector is equal to minus B minus C vector. Okay, A vector is equal to minus B minus C. Again देखो ये this is angle B, तो ये है तुम्हारा angle pi minus B. This is angle pi minus C and this one pi minus A because this is A. Whole is 180, तो ये L है, ये pi minus A. Okay, तो A is equal to A vector is equal to minus B minus C. Okay, तो this implies A cross B vector is equal to minus B minus C cross B vector. Okay, तो both साइड में कौन कली क्रॉस कर ली. तो A cross B vector is equal to this is a minus B cross B vector minus C cross B vector. तो implies A cross B vector is equal to this is 0 vector because same vector cross same vector means 0 means angle is 0 degree, and minus C cross B means plus B cross C because minus of b cross c is equal to plus minus of c cross b is equal to plus b cross c. So this implies a cross b is equal to b cross c. This is equation 1. Okay. Similarly we can prove b cross c is equal to c cross a. Equation 2. ये देख मुझे क्रॉस बी कली बोथ क्रॉस सी करदेव मतलब क्रॉस ए कर बोथ साइड क्रॉस ए कर कि क्रॉस सी कर आम यहाँ पाइजे बी क्रॉस सी इक्वल कौन पाइज सी क्रॉस ए पाईगला. ओके ठीक अच्छे. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 वी गेट a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. A cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to what? C cross a. Okay. Implies mode of a cross b is equal to mode of b cross c is equal to mode of c cross a. Mode of a cross b is equal to mode of b cross c is equal to mode of c cross a. Okay. So mode of a cross b means this is ab. Mode a, mode b, sin angle between the angle between a vector and b vector means pi minus c. Sin pi minus c. Mode दिया जी तो n के पर mode टा 1. तो is equal to ये भी कौन सी हो mode b, mode c, sin angle between b and c कले pi minus a. is equal to mode c cross a means mode c mode a sin angle between c and a means pi minus b. ओके जेहेतु मोड दिया सब जगह मोड दिखाई तो इन फैक्टर मोड टा कौन हम 1 आसो. तो साइन पाई माइन थीटा कौन साइन थीटा. तो दिस इज ए बी दिस इम्प्लाइज ए बी साइन सी इज इक्वल टू बी सी साइन ए इज इक्वल टू सी ए साइन बी. मोड ए इज इक्वल टू ए मोड बी इज इक्वल टू बी मोड सी इज इक्वल टू सी साइन पाई माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा. ओके. तो डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय ए बी सी डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय स्मॉल ए बी सी वी गेट स्मॉल ए बी सी अर्थ साइड जगह है वी गेट ए बी साइन सी डिवाइड बाय ए बी सी is equal to BC sin A divided by ABC is equal to CA sin B divided by ABC. तो implies AB को AB कैंसिल तो sin C by small c is equal to sin A by small a. एंगल मन रखा एंगल जाएगा सब कैपिटल लेटर साइड जाएगा सब स्मॉल लेटर. तो साइन पूर्व के स्मॉल लेटर रहिबो साइन पर एंगलटा तो एंगलटा कौन रहिबो कैपिटल लेटर. तो सब एंगलटा कैपिटल लेटर ता पूर्व जास कौन बिफोर टी रेशियो दैट इज कौन स्मॉल लेटर. तो सी ए को सी ए कटला इज इक्वल टू साइन बी बाई बी. ओके साइन बी बाई बी. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज ए बाई साइन ए इज इक्वल टू बी बाई साइन बी इज इक्वल टू सी बाई साइन सी. Hence proved. Okay. Next question देखा ठीक है. Let a cap and b cap are inner vectors and theta with angle between them, acute angle between them. If 2a cross 3b is also inner vector, then find sin theta. Sin theta बाहर करिया को है जी. Solution given a cap and b cap are unit vectors. Okay. And also theta be the acute angle between them. Okay. Also given 2a vector 3b is a unit vector. Therefore 2a cross 3b the magnitude square और 2a क्रॉस 3b इज इक्वल टू 2a क्रॉस 3b रो मैग्नीट्यूड इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a कैप. दिस इज a कैप एक्चुअली क्रॉस b कैप. दिस इज कैप जगह है कैप. ओके इज कैप सब. तो इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू दिस इज मोड a कैप मोड b कैप साइन थीटा n कैप रो मोड. दिस इज 1. This is 1 is equal to 6 into 1 into 1 into sin theta into 1. So implies 6 sin theta is equal to 1. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, sin theta is equal to 1 by 6. Next question. A particle acted upon by a force F vector is equal to 4i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap is displaced from the point 1 2 3 to the point 5 4 1. Find the work done by the particle. Work done by a force means a force acted upon a body displaced from the point displaced. Okay, suppose a constant force F. Suppose a constant force F acts on the body and the body is moved a distance given by the vector d vector. Then the work done by the force is given by W is equal to F vector dot d vector. F vector dot d vector. So here force is given a vector. D vector means this is A point, this is B point. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट D अर्थ डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो ए बी वेक्टर बाहर करिवो. तो F डॉट ए बी इज इक्वल टू रिक्वायर्ड वर्क डन. ओके तो ठीक अच्छी. सॉल्यूशन गिवन F वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 4i कैप प्लस j कैप माइनस 3k कैप. F वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 4i कैप minus plus j cap minus 3k cap. Okay, let OA is equal to I cap. This is A point habo. OA is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. OB is equal to 5i cap plus 4j cap plus k cap. Therefore D vector is equal to AB vector means displacement. Displaced from A to B को है जी. Displaced from A to B means A vector is equal to OB minus OA is equal to 5i minus I 4i cap 4j minus 2j cap k minus 3k minus 2k cap. Okay, तो required work done is equal to F dot D vector. तो is equal to what is F 4i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap dot 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. तो is equal to 4 into 4 16 plus 2 plus 6 24. तो 24 यूनिट એટલે रिक्वायर्ड वर्क डन. नेगेटिव आसले मध्य कौन कर दियो पॉजिटिव कर दो. ओके या रिक्वायर्ड वर्क डन. ओके तो दिस इज योर वेक्टर इज ओवर and vector triple product and vector and scalar triple product is not there in your course in this year. So next class we shall deal with 3 dimension. Okay, 3D. Okay.